Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends, traders around the world. Welcome to the 500 pips per week club. Have we had a day? Day one, well, that totally killed our target for the week on the very first day. Let's see how far we've came. Because for the 500 pips per week club, our target is 100 pips per day. Ready? What you need is a calculator. What else you need is a notepad and pen. Please write this down. A phone all you do if you don't have a calculator. Ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you, get it set. We're going in. We're going in right now. Here we go. Okay, this is TradingView software, ladies and gentlemen. TradingView software. Yep. Gold and 9 other trading instruments here. This here set up, so this is today. I'm in the 1 hour time frame, normal candles. I've got some special indicators you get in our amazing ninja team. Yeah, a special entity called the Ninja Matrix. And I wanted to put on our special volume indicator could do so, but I've kept that back. Now, what we've got here, the market opens at this point here. We've had a push up from the day before. Yeah. Down here, at this point here, it tells us potential entry. Potential entry for sale. The matrix tells us a sale. So what we do is, if we're happy, we take a short position as it goes underneath the volume. Yeah. This here just goes the other side of a money line. Yeah. So once that one closes the other side of the money line, it goes timber, and we make 22%. What was the growth in terms of pips? 298 pips, ladies and gentlemen. For round numbers, let's call it 300. 300 pips on gold. Our target is only 100 a day. We've absolutely smashed it. The 3 days target, only in one trading instrument. We've got 9 others to go. Let's go to silver. Same setup. Oh my God, you can't make this stuff up. Look, timber. The other side of our money line. And it goes all the way to the bottom. What percentage? 10% growth. So, what was that in terms of pips? $580 pips. Oh my God, you can't make this stuff up. That was silver. Let me double check, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do that again. There. Let's see if we get it. Yeah, let's call it 580. Now you could have got out there back in, so I'm going to do 580. So far we're on 880 pips. We only did 2 trading instants. US30. This one was quite interesting. You see things like this, you would get into a lower time. I've not even told you, but lower time frame entries. Yeah, but you can see what you could have got. Now, at this time, you've got to be very careful. But you've seen the pips you could have won just on that one alone. I'm not even counting these ones, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the 500 pips per week club, we've totally demolished it on the very first day. Even if you take little bits. Standard & Poor's 500. Look at this. This is just scary. German 30, ladies and gentlemen. Let's count this one. Just from there. Oh my God, this is crazy. US oil. With a gap in the market there. Come up. That uncertainty. Maybe I would have got in the trade run a bit here, possibly. The important thing is we already did a target. Oh, that's a nice one, look. 47. See how powerful this money line is. We're so fortunate in the ninjas. People that come private mentoring with me, you get this. Incredible stuff. Oh my God. So have you seen where we've got 500 pips per week? It's going to be easy in the 500 pips per week club. We've totally demolished the whole in one day. So where can you get hold of this? Yep. My name is Jeff Goodwin. Show the group you can get a hold of me. It's called this one here, Forex Trading with Beginners. Now be careful. We have some people with copies out there. That's me there on the beach in Thailand. That's my laptop, okay? 8.6 thousand members. Can't be wrong. Get there. We've even now got funded waiting. We even get now funding. Read this here. Welcome 2022. I put together something special for people who are serious traders. People who want to be serious. Coaching and mentoring to reach at least $5,000 per month. Leveraging the benefit of prop firms. Yeah. Funding is waiting. Now, they don't pay anybody the money. They need to have a specific strategy. Now, this strategy, what we do, we don't believe anything to risk. We don't just copy someone else's strategy, you know, because these guys are looking for a framework, and we've got that framework, and it has to be proven, and it already has momentum because many people have been successful. Now, you can take advantage of this right now, this unique opportunity, as it says right there. But the question is, dare. I ask you to dare to dream. Could be 2, 3, 400,000 plus. Your own trading account, that money is never yours, that's theirs. But you trade with that. And you can take advantage of that capital because they're waiting. As long as you have a proven, trusted framework, strategy that works. And I can help you with that. So if you want to sit there, as it says there, what would you like to do? Would you like to join me? If so, just send us a message. My name is Jeff Goodwin, and I'm going to see you on the beaches of the world. Bye now, and have a great day.